Hello everyone. Jambo, konnichiwa. Magandang gabi, Filipinos. Oh, today I'm going to unbox. A friend of mine from the Philippines sent me a present and I'm kind of excited to open it up and try it on. What kind of present it is. Anyway, here's my present. Time to unbox. My friend, if you're watching this video, thank you for the present. And I'm unboxing it now. Right, I have the present here. And what do I have from inside here? Okay. I have Trash Talk clothing. Trash Talk clothing. Right. Present from the Philippines. I don't know what it is, but it looks like T-shirts. Okay, NBA T-shirts. NBA T-shirts. Okay. Made in the Philippines. You can see, made in the Philippines and Trash Talk clothing. All right, I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, all right. T-shirt. Oh, who is that? Oh, Dennis Rodman. This is Dennis Rodman. Thank you, my friend. Unboxing and let's try it on. It's Dennis Rodman. I love Dennis Rodman. Right. Wow. Perfect size. Yeah. I love it. Dennis Rodman over there. Wow. Trash Talk. Wow, I love the present. I love my present. Oh. How do I look? Great, right? Wow. Thank you, my friend from the Philippines, for the present. I really love it. What about this one? Is it the same? Is it the same? Oh, I think it's the same. And who is this? Okay. It's Dennis Rodman also. So I have two T-shirts of Dennis Rodman. Okay. Wow, I love my present. Okay, my friend. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate for the present you sent me. And salamat po, kapatid. Thank you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, comment, and share. And if you want T-shirts, good material T-shirts from the Philippines, please leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. It's Masunga John, and bye for today.